Thanks, Garfield. The recent staging of the Jamaican leg of the Grand Caraïbe Showjumping Competition, which attracted regional participation, was overshadowed by controversy after the Equestrian Federation of Jamaica distanced itself from the competition. Denise Walters has the details.
Hosted by coach at Hyde Riding Academy, former national representative Julian Hyde, the Grand Caraïbe Showjumping Competition brought together riders and clubs from across the Caribbean and Central America in a showcase of regional equestrian talent. The international participation aside, the event was not sanctioned by the Equestrian Federation of Jamaica, EFJ.
To be honest, I don't really want to say too much, but we've really put a lot into getting this show off the ground. And what we were hoping for was some support from our federation, which we didn't get this time. But a lot of the local clubs and the local support system for our sport really rallied around the show. And without them, none of this could have happened.
When TVJ Sports reached out to the president of the Equestrian Federation of Jamaica, Heidi Layla, for a comment, we were told to be guided by a press release that was issued on May 30. The release noted that the show was a private one and was not endorsed by the EFJ. The release also stated that the EFJ is committed to ethical sporting practices in accordance with the world governing body, the FEI, and the Jamaica Olympic Association, JOA. It went further to note that stakeholders should respect the authority of the National Federation and ensure that they are aware of the governing body's code of conduct. Now, the Federation had issued a similar advisory in August last year, clarifying the distinction between the Caribbean Equestrian Association, CEA, of which the EFJ is a member, and the Caribbean Equestrian Academy, CEA, describing the latter as a private riding club that is not affiliated with the Federation. Local organizer Hyde says his focus is on moving beyond the current impasse.
It's unfortunate that we weren't able to work with the Federation for this one. But we're hoping that, you know, when they see all the good reviews and how well everybody did, that they'll be willing to come on board with us next year.
Despite the pushback, the plan is to host a third staging next year. In the meantime, Hyde says he remains committed to the growth of the riders.
My main focus is development of the riders here. And, you know, I'm going to get it done with or without support from our federation, or I think we already have a good core group of us and you know, supporters that we can give the riders the experience that they need.
It is to be noted that EFJ board members Daniel Melvin and Betty Waits attended the two-day show jumping competition. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.